Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 11th, 2018, and we're here with the pepper plants. There's some more over here. They're pretty good for us. I'm really pleased with them. And I've removed the blossoms from them because we don't want them blooming when we plant them. So we're going to be planting these out today, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. Okay, so we got our holes dug and we've already added some compost into them, and I put some oatmeal in, and the oatmeal will give the plant nutrients as it grows. And I've also found that the oatmeal helps to hold some moisture in for you. So just gonna mix this up here some. And this is our pepper plant here. You can see the root system on it. And I'm also going to be adding, I put a handful of oatmeal in. I didn't tell you that, sorry about that. So I'm going to be putting a handful of Epsom salt in. Because peppers like Epsom salt. And I'm also going to be using the Epsom Organic Tomato Tone. This is 346. So this is going to help our peppers take off and grow. Now we're going to be using 3 tablespoons of this plant food. Get it out here. And 2. Go. Rough estimation. And I have my little rake here, and I'm just mixing all of this around in here. I am going to mix some dirt in with it. Go. All mixed in here. And the reason why we want to mix it up really good is so we don't burn the root systems on any of our plants, because we don't want to do that. And I have my pepper plant here. Now I'm going to be roughing the roots up on this like this. So I want to make sure that the roots go out and they don't keep growing in their circle. Now I'm going to bury this deeper than it actually was in the container because it will shoot roots out. So I'm just going to be taking these lower shoots and leaves off here. I'll be sitting it in like this, making sure the roots are nice and spread out here. And I'm just going to fill it back in now. Go. And this stem will put out more roots, which will give us a stronger, better root system. Yeah. There. And then you just water it in, and should be good to go. So that's how I plant pepper plants. And I've got a lot of them to do here today. So I'm signing off on this. Yeah, we have like 61 pepper plants to plant. Okay, so you can see these are peppers here. And we did save some for another spot. And we put a fence up around them. This is a fence right here. I'll put a link down below for this type of fencing that we used here. And then we also have a wire fence that goes around the garden as well. So this will protect against like rabbits and groundhogs and the different critters that run along the ground. And this here is to help with like the deer, try and keep the deer out. And we have had them jump this fence already.
It's about 7 foot tall.
It's just about 7 foot tall, but they have managed to get over it already, and they will just completely destroy your crops. So we planted some other stuff in here as well, and I just wanted to show you these. And you want to make sure that you water them after you plant them. And if you have any blossoms on your plants, you want to take those off, because your plant won't develop the root system that it should with those on there, because it's going to be thinking of blooming and producing fruit rather than growing the roots out. And I'll put an article down in the description, a link for one on that explains more about that. So I just want to show you these. And these will also get fed with a product called Sea Magic. It's an organic product. It's made out of kelp. I'll explain more about that later on, and I'll put a link down below for that so you can check that out if you want to. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.